To deglaze the pan with a bit of juice, I put like a tablespoon of water in it. Then I'm going to put that mixture in it. Just stir it. And that's it. I'm going to put that on top of my steak. Good.
Oh my god, it broke! My steak broke! No! Oh! Oh! Some slurry. Oh! Oh, I got sweat in my eye. Oh! 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 One eye is closed. One of my eyes is closed. A little water. Nice. Beautiful. A little thickness to it. Beautiful.
Yeah, I broke the steak. It's always something, man. Here, fresh lime. Juice. Let's take some from the cap. Anchovy garlic sauce. I really enjoyed it on the skirt steak, but I wasn't happy with the skirt steak. Why did I do this over? I really liked this sauce, but I didn't like the steak. Let's give this a try. Where do we take a piece from? Here? Oh, I see pink. I see pink. Oh. You think you would taste the anchovy, but you don't really. Not anchovy like you normally think. In Jacques' video, he pretty much boils the garlic, anchovies, and parsley. I wanted to saute the garlic first, get some more flavor in there. Let's take a look. Oh. Ooh, it's really pink. Oh. I'm so happy. Oh, garlic and parsley and lime. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. After the Monday after Easter. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh, lime hit. Mmm. Oh. Thanks for watching.